Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming what GPU you have and why you need an update. Open Device Manager or a utility like GPU-Z to read the exact model and current driver version. This prevents installing the wrong package. Once done, save any open projects and close demanding apps to avoid file locks. Make sure to choose OEM drivers for laptop-specific features or manufacturer releases for the latest fixes and performance. This choice affects compatibility and power settings. Next, download the correct driver using the manufacturer's auto-detect or by selecting your exact model and OS. You want a WHQL or certified build for stability. Run the installer as administrator to ensure files write correctly. When given the choice, pick Custom or perform a clean install to replace old files and reset settings. Follow on-screen prompts, uncheck bundled extras you don't need, and reboot when prompted. Restarting finalizes driver registration and loads the new kernel. Finally, verify the update by checking the driver version in Device Manager or your GPU control panel and run a short benchmark or game to confirm stability and performance gains. If you see crashes, black screens, or poor performance, roll back the driver in Device Manager first. If that fails, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove remnants and reinstall a stable release. Make sure you had a restore point beforehand so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.